And we've got breaking news that's coming in. Filmmaker Karan Johar has clarified that he did not personally know the two people who are being probed in this entire drug link case. In fact, he has released a statement amidst the NCB investigation saying that that Anubhav Chopra was not an employee at his company, though he had worked on 2 projects with the company in an independent capacity. Also adding that Kshitij Ravi Prasad joined Dharmatic Entertainment, which is a company linked to Dharma Productions, in November 2019 as one of the executive producers on a contract basis for a project which eventually did not materialize. Now, this statement comes amidst once again the videos of one party that Karan Johar held back in July, which have resurfaced. So he has issued the statement clarifying that he does not consume drugs, nor does he promote drugs either. In fact, Mayuresh is still with us. Mayuresh, this statement from Karan Johar here coming amidst this NCB drug probe, which is widening now. The net, especially as far as Bollywood is concerned, is widening. If you can take us through the details of what Karan Johar has said.
So if we see the statement, we have to see the statement in 2 parts. Part number 1, Karan Johar has clearly said that media is basically trying to frame me, and the party which happened in 2019, the video is everywhere since that time. In that party, no drugs were served, or there was no connection of drugs, because he himself doesn't support any, he doesn't basically consume any kind of drugs, or he doesn't support in that way. So that is part number 1. He clearly says that my colleagues and the people who were there in the party, they are not even related to the drugs. That's what he said. Part number 2, we have to say that he has basically spoken about the 2 people who are connected with Dharma Productions and at whose residence basically the NCB conducted raids, and their name has been surfaced. So he said that one person who is also connected, or who is allegedly connected with the Dharma Production, he was there for a shorter time and he was on a contract, whereas second person, second executive, has joined in 2019. So in that capacity, he doesn't know both of them personally, and whatever these 2 people, or whatever the people who are associated with Dharma Production, they do in their personal life, it has nothing to do with the Dharma Production or Karan Johar. So he has made it very much clear. And if you could see the last line of his statement, which clearly says that if media, or any media, whether it's print or print online or the TV media, continues to target him, then certainly he has the legal rights, and he's aware of those legal rights, and he will use his legal rights to save this thing. So certainly it's a kind of a threat which is coming from Karan Johar at the last statement. When if media is targeting me, then certainly I can approach to the court, or I can use my legal right. But yes, as I said, if you see the statement in 2 parts, in first part, he has clearly denied any drug link, any drug consumption or procurement in 2019 party, the video which is everywhere. And also he had basically said that he doesn't know personally 2 executives who have been named by the NCB in this drug link.